this tutorial, we will discuss in detail about the profiles.yml file. Let's go to our code editor. Let's create a file named profiles.yml. So this is our profiles.yml. It is sometimes kept in the home directory inside .dbt folder, but for this tutorial we will keep this in our project directory, which is DBT tutorial. Inside this we have profiles.yml. So first step will be to create a profile DBT tutorial. So this is the name of the profile which we have created. Next will be the outputs. The outputs will contain the different dev, stage, prod, etc. we can keep there. Inside dev we will start with Athena. In this tutorial we are working on AWS Athena, so that's why I have used type as Athena here. Based on this type, other configuration will change here. If you are using Trino or Databricks or Snowflake, based on this type, those details will change. So whenever we use Athena, one of the things, if you have used Athena earlier, must be seeing we need S3 staging directory. So this is my S3 staging directory. Next would be the region name. For using any AWS service, we need a region name. Next is the database, which database we are using. So actually it's a catalog name which you can see on Athena. Then we have schema, so we will be using this schema. Schema is the database name in common language. Then we have work group, so this relates to Athena. So whenever we use Athena, we need a work group. So in this case we are using primary work group. Then another important part is which Athena to connect to, where we have defined those details. So there are multiple ways to define those connection details. So one is we can pass the access key ID and secret key, but these are not recommended as it will expose the access key and secret key and it carries risk with it. Another is we can set the environment variable for this AWS secret key and access key, but again using access key and secret keys are not a recommended way. The next and the safe and the recommended way is to use AWS profile name. So this AWS profile names comes from SSO setup on your local machine or wherever you are using this project. So you can do AWS SSO configuration in your local machine. Mostly it's default, but if you have kept any custom name, you can use that AWS profile name. So this is one of the profile which we have created, and there are other configurations also, how many threads we want to run, how many retries we want. There are multiple variables in this. So next is after outputs we need to set the target. So whenever we are running any DBT models, which profile to use, we pass the name of the profile and inside profile which environment to use. So we can have dev, staging, prod, etc. based on this target. By default it will pick that part. If my target is dev and we are not overriding it in run command, then it will use this one, and if we are passing some other target, then it will pick that one. So this is the way we set up the profiles.yml.